welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. I hope all of you are having a fantastic week, and I am here with an unboxing from Diamond Painting Fanatics. Very, very excited about this unboxing. I've got two kits here. They were two separate orders, and they came at the same time, which is awesome. So, very thrilled. Y'all know I have a pretty good idea, what the theme of these diamond paintings are going to be. If you think you know, put it in the comments down below. Okay, first of all, I want to show you, look at this. This is Diamond Painting Fanatics new bag covers. It's got I am a diamond painting fanatic on the bag with a pretty diamond, and look at this. Oh wait, there's a package in there, but look, these are new bags that Cindy has put in her shop to cover your orders, to protect them, and also you can use them again to carry around diamond paintings that you're working on. Isn't that lovely? I think it's great. They're a nice, sturdy, weatherproof material. Very nice. Very nice. That is a new item to her shop. Okay, so I've got a little package here. She puts little packages in with all the orders. Oh, look, I get glitter drills. Look at that. Glitter square drills. Pretty red color. Oh, those are the two kits. She always puts in a nice thank you note. Okay, look. Ooh, what is this? This is putty. Kay's Cup of Putty, peppermint tea. I have not tried this putty yet. Oh, let's see here. Oh, y'all, look at that. Oh, that smells like peppermint. That is amazing. I'll have to try that out. Ooh, very nice. So yeah, Kay's Cup of Putty. Okay. And then you get lots of cool stickers. Crafting with Kay. Oh, that's for her putty. That's Diamond Painting Fanatics card. I'll have all of the information down below. Get a nice English breakfast tea. Lots of stickers. Love it. So sweet. Y'all, this is the difference between small shops and big shops. The little personal touches. Absolutely love it. Thank you for the goodies, Miss Cindy. Okay, put all those back. Okay, all right. Now, I want you all to notice how lovely these are packaged in this paper. And she even puts your name on the actual package. Isn't that great? Like, these are my favorite colors. Aqua, black, and white. I absolutely love these colors. They're awesome. Okay. But can you, the amount of time it takes to wrap these, you guys. You guys, it's like I don't even want to open it because of how pretty they are. And Cindy does all of this herself. Okay, I don't know which one is which. I'll just put this down to the side for now. I'm very excited. Oh, and I do want to mention, I do have an event coming up the 1st of August. It'll run through August. It's called Fantastic Felines 2024 that I am hosting with Sparkling Spectrumite, Hannah, and Diamond Painting Fanatics is a sponsor of the event. She has been gracious enough to offer us gift cards. Oh my goodness. I don't know which one this is yet. Let's see. Okay, this is the one. I'm so excited for this one. Hold on. Hold on a second. I'm going to wrap it the other way. I'm going to roll it the other way so that, so that it lays a little bit flatter. I saw this on her site and I had to get it. Now you guys know I am a huge cat fanatic because I have 3 cats, but y'all. Are you ready? Okay, look. This is Teacup Treasure Siamese by Charisma Art. Y'all. I can't with this. This is a 50 by 50. I'm pretty sure I got square drills. I did. We're going to go over all of that in a minute, but I want you guys just to look. Look at this image. Look at these little cats. They make me think of my girls. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is a poured glue canvas. It has 50 colors. It has, if you see that, it's got scalloped edges, so no fraying. You have, come on camera, there we go. You've got a legend on each side of the canvas. I appreciate that. You've got your schematic up here in the upper right with your size, 50 by 50. Down at the bottom, you've got the title, Teacup Treasure Siamese, and Charisma Art. Of course, you've got the Diamond Painting Fanatics logo up here, and you've got the website. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Okay, these are your drills. Okay. Oh my gosh, okay. And this is your sticker sheet. And if I'm correct, yes, these are individually cut stickers. So they are already pre-cut, ready to go. That is your sticker sheet. Isn't that adorable? Look. All of your colors. All right, so this one has 5 ABs. Oh my gosh, 5 ABs. Okay, look at that. You get your pretty cute sticker, and then these are all of your drills. These are square drills. I'm not going to open these. The reason for that is because I am waiting to work on this for the start of our Fantastic Feelings 2024 event. Isn't that just adorable? But they're already pre-bagged. I like working out of baggies. Right now I'm using, Muni-Made has a bag holder that I just ordered another one so I could have more space. Here, I'll show it to you. Real quick. This is the Muni-Made bag holder. Holds plenty of bags. Like little baggies. Love it. Right now I've got Dragon Seasons in there. Okay. All right. Back to this cutie. Oh my gosh. Isn't that adorable? Okay, we're going to look at the drill field. Let me stand up here. And I like the fact it's a 50 by 50, so it's not ginormous. Okay, let's look. The drill field is very clear. Look at that little face. Look at that other little face. Y'all, this is just the cutest thing. The flowers. So many awesome colors in this. You've got pinks, blues. Come on, camera. Pinks, blues, greens. Oh my gosh. Absolutely love it. I don't know if this particular kit, I think it is still available. I'll look. I'm going to have a link down below if I can to my 2 orders directly, like actual to this canvas. But you can pre-order most of the kits on her site. And yeah, I got this very quickly considering it came from the UK to the US. I think I got this in like within a month, which is excellent. Yes. Oh my gosh. I absolutely love this. Isn't that adorable? So this is Teacup Kittens. I'm sorry, Teacup Treasure Siamese Kittens by Charisma Art. Definitely going to be working on this one for the event. And again, like I said, Diamond Painting Fanatics is a sponsor for our event. She's offering a gift card to a special winner for the event. So thank you so much to Diamond Painting Fanatics for offering that and for this gorgeous, gorgeous, cute, adorable little, oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, I'm going to roll this one back up and we're going to open the other one. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, so again, pretty package. I hate opening these because of how pretty they're packaged. And this paper is like, it's like a really thick wrapping paper. Oh, like I hate to tear it, but I'm going to. Okay. There we go. Here we go. This is order number 2. Now, this one is, I don't usually do Halloween type canvases. I'm not the type of person to focus on a holiday canvas, so to speak. If there's a canvas that is related to a holiday and it speaks to me, sure, but I don't go looking for holiday canvases. It's just not me. But I saw this one and was like, you know what? Gonna get it. So let me roll it back the other way. So excited. Sorry, my lighting is horrible today with we're having like overcast, cloudy day. Okay, so this one is titled Aurora by Teresa Raymer. And Teresa Raymer is a new artist to Diamond Painting Fanatics. This is a 60 by 60. I'm pretty sure this is a square drill kit as well, y'all. I'm a huge fan of blues, purples, and pinks. I saw this and I was like, okay, first of all, it's got a really awesome wide-eyed girl, which I'm a really big fan of. Big-eyed girl characters, that the hair, and then this little devil cat, y'all. The devil cat got me. So this would be a perfect canvas to work on for Halloween, drills and chills, you know. This one would also work for our event we have coming up. Yes. So yeah, again, this is Aurora by Teresa Raymer. And this one has 50 colors. And I think, pretty sure I got this one in square. This is your sticker sheet. Again, all of the stickers are pre-cut for you. Individual stickers. This one has 4 ABs. 4 ABs. Oh, I probably should have shown you where the ABs were going to go, right? Right. That's okay. I haven't done a video in a while, you guys. Okay, look at all of these gorgeous colors. Yes, these are in square as well. Look at all those gorgeous colors. Oh my gosh. There you go. Isn't that adorable? All right. I'm going to look at the drill field. I'm going to pull the plastic back, do our sticky test. Again, you've got legends on both sides. You've got the title and the artist in the bottom left. You've got the website down in the bottom. All of her social media information. Logo at the top. Okay. let's look at the drill field. Sorry, someone's chainsawing in the background outside. Everything looks really clear. There is going to be a lot of confetti in this kit. All right, I want to look at her hair. Let's look at the drill field in that blue and that pink. That is awesome. Y'all, look at that flower, that rose. So there is going to be a lot of confetti in this. This was a 60 by 60. So this one is a little bit bigger than the teacup kittens. Not too much though. Still a very doable size. It's not like a, 80 by 100. So yeah, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. So those are the 2 orders that I got from Diamond Painting Fanatics. Again, I will have the link down below for these particular canvases that you can pre-order if they're available. If not, I'll just have a link to Diamond Painting Fanatics. But please go check out Cindy's site. There are lots of different artists on there. Plenty of options for, a variety of different themes and tastes for people. So yes, I am super excited. So this is probably going to be my Halloween kit that I work on. And then my other kit, the Teacup Kittens kit, that one is going to be, I'm going to work on for our event coming up. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys very, very soon. Bye, guys.